You're looking for a portable fan, a duster, an emergency charger. This may be something that you are looking for with speeds up to 130,000 RPM. What we're going to do is show you what this product is about. It's easy to unassemble and place on all the pieces. It takes a matter of a couple of seconds, and once everything is on, you're ready to go and use your product. It has 10 steps for the fan and 100 steps for the duster. Let's show you what the product can do. This is the Fanttik Gust B11 27.7 WH, 130,000 RPM, 100 stepless gear, a 2-in-1 dust fan. Let's open up the box, show you what you get inside. Clean and air conditioner, a ceiling fan, a keyboard, the floor, anything imaginable. Inside the box you have a nice carrying bag with logo of Fanttik. You have the user's manual. Also nicely wrapped are the parts and products. We have all the brushes and accessories and a self-adhesive pad. Your hoses and attachments also neatly individually wrapped. A USB-C to C charging cable. A clip-on for the fan. Swivel and adjustable. The fan. Connection pins, USB-C charging, and the on and off button with a diameter of 3.5 inches. And last but least, the main control unit, the duster and fan. When first opening and taking things apart, please remember to peel off all film around the controller. We have stickers that telling you what to do and use. The charging area that we simply charge for the first time by plugging in. And the unit has a circular blue ring and charging. Place the unit down and allow it to charge. Showing you what the LED and window looks like. On the fan center there is a sticker as well. On the back we have the USB-C. If hitting the on button to turn on, it requires to have a powered cable plug in, the USB-C or the fan. Those are the two ways this will work. Placing the unit on is slipping over with the lock and unlock rotation. Twist to lock in. Plug the USB-C in the back and you're ready to use your product as a fan. Hang it up, clip on an area, and adjust an angle. Turning the unit on is simply pressing on the button for on, and to shut it off is simply tapping the button once and the unit will turn off. It is one speed with the USB-C cable only. Rotate your fan in, able to hit the button and have it as a desk fan. It can run separately with a USB-C cord. It can run off of the fan unit, and it is a duster, so it's like a 3-in-1 product. A fan for standstill, separate running, or running off the machine, handheld. We need to clean out AC, so we turn the unit on. We pick a speed, and we want to adjust the nozzle sideways. We won't be able to do that. It won't allow us to adjust it sideways. Only allows it adjusted one way. And we're able to take the brush and clean the area of the whole unit. We need to clean our shelf here. We can clean the shelves, as you can see. And we can pick a higher speed to blow it. We have a keyboard we need to clean. We can still use the wide one. and clean the keys. We'll use the narrow one to pinpoint or pull off and use everything like so. If you want to go from 1 through 100% and go into the high mode, press the trigger one more time in the front. So we're going to take off the nozzles just to show you. We're going to long press the unit, turn on, we lower down, the second press turns it on to high, 130,000 RPM. Press it again, it goes back into that position of 33. At any position, just simply press this button, a short press, and you change from high to low. You don't want to get the broom out to clean the area, just simply turn the unit on and hit the hide button, and you're able to get all that dirt that's on the floor and blow away. I want to clean my mat in the door area. I just simply get it on 100% and hide. We're at the kitchen and we need to just be cooled off by a handheld unit or place it on the table and blow dry your hands. The main handle is reverse charging. It allows you to plug in, turn the unit on in the back, and cool off. In order to bypass and you hit the on button, this will turn on to the fan and that will shut off. So if you got other things to charge up with the unit's head, this will turn on and charge, as you can see. So you have the Fanttik 3-in-1, an emergency charger to run the fan through the unit, as well as a duster and a handheld fan unit. I hope you enjoy your product. If this is something that you're looking for, in a duster and fan, a 2-in-1 by Fanttik. Thank you for viewing.